What is happening? Little Tom on back with another video, and today we're going to be opening up the iPollo Mini ETC. This will be the second one that I have. They work really well. No complaints. No complaints. Let's see if I can. Have it. The iPollo Mini ETC. Alright, that's your power cord and your power supply. Alright. So yeah, as you see, very small, nice, clean box. iPollo. Got your little brochure, Wi-Fi antenna on top. Oh yeah, very nice. This is where your Wi-Fi antenna will go, or via Ethernet. Most of the time I'll plug it into Ethernet and plug it into my router itself to find the IP, because that's what you will need to be signing into the computer itself. But yeah, iPollo V1 Mini Classic. Now let's get it plugged in. Let's figure out the IP for it. Let's get it signed in. Alright guys, so as you see, I've got two iPollo Mini ETCs. This is the newest one, and I've also found the IP to remote into it to assign my address and my monitor, essentially. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to hook up your power, your Wi-Fi antenna if you're using Wi-Fi. Most of the time you're still going to have to use Ethernet. Let's see. So I'll plug the Ethernet in. I just defined the IP so you can remote into it. And like I said, I've already remoted into it. I've assigned my IP. I've assigned my address, and I've assigned my monitor. And it's pretty much plug and play. Nothing else to it. Really nice little monitors. Like I said, I've had this one running for about 8 days straight, no problem. After I saw a week of it going good, and also the Belay Mining had a deal where they dropped the price from like $900 to $700, so that was a great deal for me. So yeah, I had to jump on that, and I figured I'd let y'all know how things are going with me. Thanks for watching.